Yeah, thank you, Dallas.
Yep.
So yeah, let's just start. This model is a 2024. It's a Sabre 38DBL. It's a fifth wheel. It's going to be a bunkhouse fifth wheel. It's going to feature a lot of different jam-packed options. What's nice about Sabre is it's made by Forest River. It's a good manufacturer. Another big thing that's nice about them is they don't have a ton of options, right? So the positive on that is you don't have to worry, does it have this, does it have that? When you're looking for the unit and shopping for the unit, it makes it a lot easier for you to buy as well as resell down the road. So let's just start with some of the features here. Obviously full fiberglass, aluminum frame construction. It does have a big storage compartment here. I like how they finished it off. It's not like open to bare wood and everything. They made it look real nice, and it gives you a ton of space. Notice the windows. All the windows are like a reflective tint, so it allows the trailer to stay a lot cooler. Also gives you good privacy. Let's move this way. We got solid entry steps here. Super slide that comes out there. As we come back, you're going to see you've got a second entry and also a full outside kitchen, right? So you've got your cabinets, your sink that's plumbed into the gray tank, and then also you've got your refrigerator out here, and then you've got a quick connect for your propane disconnect, so you can use your griddles and all types of stuff. So as we move, you're going to notice you've got a power awning up top. They do build in the lights to the power awning so that when the awning comes out, they're facing inward versus just up against the trailer. Let's move our way on the inside. We'll start going through all the cool features on the inside. Okay, so main entry in the center of the unit as you come in, opposing slides. What's nice about opposing slides? First off, really opens it up in here. Right? Look at all the cabinetry, look at all the backlighting, full residential refrigerator, undermount stainless steel sink, does have a residential spray head. You've got a bigger stove right here, a larger microwave. You've got the nicer grates like a house, so you've got a propane cooktop, and then you've got a bigger oven and stove down below there as well. It does feature a light, so you can get a light inside. I like how they put the TV and the fireplace directly across from your entertainment center. So as we flip around, I'll show you that side of the unit too. Notice you've got a pet pantry, right? What's that? Pulls out. You've got your water and you've got your food, right? Or that could tuck back away, never see it. So that's one nice thing. Theater seating does have heat, massage, and lights. Blue lighting underneath. That's pretty neat. I really like that. Just sets it off, sets it, and then they've got the zebra blinds. What's cool about that is it's a day shade like this, or night shade like this, or completely pull it up, and then you have full lookout there too. Freestanding dinette, so you got 2 chairs and then like a bench, or you can turn this. Some people will turn this so it can look out the window and everything too. All right, let's move our way to the back bunk area. Obviously, you've got residential farm look barn door there. As we come back, we've got a tri-fold sofa that comes out to a double bed, single bunk above that lifts up. Pretty cool loft with a ladder that gets you up there. And then you've got a ton of storage down below, right? So you've got all these cabinets. You can mount a TV back here. So you want to put a TV back here for the kids, and like an Xbox or any type of gaming controller you can put back here too. Then you'll notice as you come to the back, this is go ahead and show them this. This is a 2 full bath, right? So you've got an entry that goes into this bathroom. So you've got a toilet, sink, and an actual tub and shower. As we move to the front, you're going to see, we'll show you the master bedroom and then the other full bath as well. Okay, so that's what's pretty cool about this layout is you've got 2 separate total living areas with their own restrooms as well. As we come up, I like how they do solid surface countertops too. I like the lighter wood, really gives a good brightness in here, feels a lot roomier as well. As we come up, you'll notice you got your control panel right here to run out all your slides, lights, water heaters, all types of things right there as well. Come up here, you notice you've got your other second full bathroom. Now this one's going to be a little bit bigger. It's got the nice seat in the tub. You've got your toilet, your sink, medicine cabinets, and plenty of storage as well in there for linens and everything. We'll move to the master bedroom, right? Full walk around bed on both sides. Again, they carried in the barn residential type doors in here. And then they also went with washer and dryer prep. So this is made more for, you could probably put a combo in here. I believe the way that they've set up everything is you can also do 2 separate units. So you could do a combo, or you could put like a dryer there, a washer there, so they face one another. Notice how they put in like the shoe rack or more, they built that into it. Most manufacturers just close that off and you lose all that extra storage. I really like how they did that there. This does have 2 air conditioners. Give you some information on the unit itself. Total length is 43 foot 1 inch. It's 8 foot wide. You can sleep up to 6 very comfortably. And then let's move out to the living room. I'll tell you some more features as we're going through, because I really want to show that living room again, how awesome it's laid out and all the openness in it. You've got basically weight-wise, you're coming in on dry weight of 12,378. So 3/4 ton, 1 ton easily can pull this as well. I like how much clearance is in here too. You know, I'm 6'5". I can stand up inside here. I don't hit my head every time I come in and out. You've got, let's just see how this, so you've got, these will pull up here. So you've got your 2 footrests. See how that comes up? Now this is the nicer furniture too. It's like a vinyl material, which is nice. So both sides have footrests that come up, and then you've got heat and massage in there as well. Showing over here on some pantry side of things, right? So you've got, I like how they put outlets right here. So if you want to do like, let's say a coffee pot or a crock pot, anything like that, you've got like a little spot over here. And I like how they did the glass inserts there. Notice how you've got plenty of storage up there. You got some good accent up there. And then also all of this as well. Look how much pantry space is there too. Then I want to show back on this other side too. Yeah, so here's your other pantry. And then again, like I was telling, the weight of the unit was 12,378 and the total length is 43 foot 1 inch, basically from hitch to bumper as well there. Oh, one other big thing too, notice that this is different. So until the last couple years, everything used to be shag carpets in your slide outs. Now you've got like a vinyl hybrid type material. So for pets, for kids, it's easy just to sweep that up. You don't have a constant wear and tear on the carpet as well, which is also a big plus. And then this is going to hold up a lot longer for you too. Notice how they put accent lighting underneath your countertop as well. I really like that. And they've got an inverter recep right there. So that's, like I said, this is a 2024 Sabre 38DBL. Next, we're going to go ahead and swing over to the next one.